Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 1Password for password autofill step by step clearly. Open the 1Password app on your device. Log in with your master password or biometric authentication. Go to the settings menu within the app. Look for the autofill or fill passwords option. Enable the autofill feature if it's not already turned on. On iOS devices, navigate to the passwords section in your device settings. Select Autofill Passwords. Find and toggle on 1Password from the list of options. For Android devices, open your device settings. Tap on System and then select Languages and Input. Choose Advanced and then tap on Autofill Service. Select 1Password from the list of available services. Now, open a web browser or app where you want to use password autofill. Go to the login page for the site or app. Tap on the username or password field. 1Password should prompt you to fill in the credentials. Select the credentials you want to autofill. If prompted, authenticate with your master password or biometric. Watch as your username and password are automatically filled in. Complete the login process by tapping the login button. Repeat these steps for other websites and apps as needed. Ensure that your 1Password app is always updated for the best performance. Enjoy the convenience of secure password management and autofill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.